So we just sprinted as fast as we could sprint while walking, so that we could go stand in this line. Alright, here goes insanity.
This is madness.
Yeah, you're mad for making me do this.
This is what happens when you grow up in La La Land. Detached reality, you think Star Wars is real.
Alright.
We made it.
We made it to the line. Not to the ride, but we made it to the line.
I'm so excited.
All recruits to the transport vet.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure.
We've been taken captive.
How many here?
We're escaping vet.
Su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones.
This is crazy. They're not attached to nothing.
Government's a prisoner transfer.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. All personnel to that station.
Becca's found her heaven. Star Wars land. Alright, we just boarded the what? And I'm a pilot, left to right, she's pilot then. And we got gunners and engineers in the back, and here we go.
Wait, do you go upside down?
Maybe. Maybe several times. You're coming up on it. You're gonna go twice no matter what? What if you don't like the first time? These kids' second time in a row? That ain't fair.
Okay. For stage jumping off of those silver handrails, the band has requested no flash photography.
Yeah, there's shoulder straps.
That's because you might not be right side up the whole time.
I'm dead.
Brandon.
People in the blue, thanks for waiting.
Hey, y'all sure it's a good idea?
Try to.
I don't know about
Ooh, that's pretty quick.
Ride's over.
Exit to your right and left this way.
Dick, what is that? You having fun yet?
Hey, where you get popcorn right here?
Are you having fun yet?
J-Bug's going again, Gina's going again, and Trick probably.
Oh, Gina.
You having fun? Having fun? Yeah? Uh-oh. Oh my God, it's about to start.
My Americans lived in a shining past. Although he had everything his heart desired.
The professionals. Wow, so that's a cool coaster. Man.